Hello friends, as the CA final results are out, I appeared for group 1 as my group 2 is cleared and I have got 195 marks in it along with one exemption in financial reporting, that is I have got 60 marks. So I am happy that at least I got exemption because I found FR very difficult and it was the most means it used to scare me a lot, that FR subject. So I am glad that at least I am free from that subject. Apart from that, अफसोस तो होता ही है 5 marks का obviously, but it's fine. So I'm going to tell you some things about what all I did and what was my strategy and what all I am going to do ahead. So first of all, I would like to give credit for the FR subject to Akash Kandoi sir. It was only because of him that I could understand that subject and I could clear it and get an exemption in it. Although it is not much, 60 marks, but still I am happy. And I took fast track classes of Akash sir. I took an academy subscription, and I studied FR also from Rahul Malkan sir on an academy, Khushbu ma'am for audit, and Amit Popli sir for law. And I think that some new concepts were there in SFM which I didn't knew. So for that, I'm planning to take fast track classes of Atul Agrawal sir, because I think I should learn those concepts. Some new topics were there in exam which I should like understand, then only I can clear it. Apart from that, as I told, I have also got a job recently in an IT company, so I will manage studies along with job. I will study theory subjects in the morning, that is law and audit. I will try to devote at least 3 hours in morning to those subjects every day, and during daytime my office timings will be from 10 to approx 7. So that time less studies, I will be able to study less, but still I will try to manage. Apart from that, after coming from office, after eating food and all that, I will try to give at least 2 hours for the practical subject, that is SFM. So I think I can manage. And what you can do is you can listen to the YouTube videos, audios of theory subjects, so that you get quite a good grip in it, and keep learning the section numbers also, because that is very important. So yeah, you can manage. This is my first time that I will be doing studies along with job. Till now I was reluctant for the job because I thought that I should first clear the exam and then I should do job. But right now, this time before results only, I joined a company because I was not sure. I was 80% sure that I will clear, but still 20% chances were there that I may not clear. So 195 marks, as you can see. So I can offer you any other strategies or for FR that you want. Mainly the credit goes to Akash Kandoi sir only, and I have his books also. I took his classes. If you have any suggestions for me that you want to tell me, or you want that I should follow that, definitely you can comment below. I will be glad to know them. And yeah, definitely if you have any other thing to say, you can comment. And if you want to ask something also, then you can definitely. So thank you.